Hello and welcome back to Mathletics with Nawaz. Today we are going to learn a few calculator hacks which will help you get A star in mathematics. I am using this Casio calculator. This is Casio FX99ES Plus, and let us start the video. In order to convert a decimal into a fraction, just write that decimal and calculator will automatically convert it into a fraction. Just like I have taken 0.45 and press equal to, it converts it into a fraction 9 upon 20, and we can see that the denominator is higher than the numerator, so that is a proper fraction. Let us take another example, like I have taken 1.56, press equal to, and it converts it into 39 upon 25, which is an improper fraction because this time numerator is higher than the denominator, so that is an improper fraction. And in order to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, just press shift and S to D button, and it converts it, from improper to mixed fraction, 1 whole 14 upon 25. In order to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, first we need to write the improper fraction by pressing shift and fraction button in the second row. Now we need to write the improper fraction. I have taken 7 whole 3 upon 5 upon 5. Just press equal to, and it will automatically convert it into improper fraction 38 upon 5. And if you want to convert this into decimal, just press S to D button in the fourth row, and it will convert it into decimal 7.6. In order to convert any number in scientific notation or what we call standard form, just follow the procedure. Press shift, then press setup button. At number 7, we can see that it reads SCI, which is scientific notation. So press 7. Then he asks for any number between 0 and 9. And basically we are being asked for the number of significant figures. So I will press 3 because usually we go for the 3 significant figures. Now we will write any number and the answer will be automatically converted into standard form or the scientific notation. Just like I have taken 56,000. Press equal to, and the answer will be in standard form, 5.60 times 10 to the power 4. Similarly, take another example, like I have taken 0. Some zeros 23. Press equal to, and that converts it into standard form or scientific notation, 2.30 times 10 to the power minus 7. Let us take another example, which is actually a complex fraction. It is 25,000 times 65 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 0.4 times 0 and 125, and press equal to, it converts the answer into standard form automatically. So here is how we write any number in the form of scientific notation or standard form. But after this, every calculation will be in the standard form, which is actually not required. So we clear the setup and go back to the normal. Just press shift and 9. He asks to clear the setup or memory. I want to clear the setup. Press 1, then press equal to and AC, and the setup is clear. Any calculation after this will be in the normal mode. In order to convert the decimal value of hours into hours, minutes, and second, follow this procedure. First, write the decimal value, just like I have taken 1.5 hours, and I want to convert this into hours, minutes, and seconds. So press this second button in the third row from left side where it reads B. So it is 1 hour and 30 minutes 0 second. Let us take another example, like I have taken 2.56 hours and press equal to, I want to convert this into hours, minutes, and seconds. So just press this second button in the third row from left side, and here you go. That are 2 hours, 33 minutes, and 36 seconds. So that's how you convert the decimal value of hours into hours, minutes, and seconds. And in order to convert that hours, minute, and second value into decimal value of hours, first we need to write it, like I have taken 1 hour, press this one, then 30 minutes, press it once again, and that, let's say it is 45 seconds, and press it once again. Now press equal to, and again press that second button in the third row, and it will automatically converts into the decimal value of hour. So it is 1.5125. So that's how we convert from hours, minutes, and seconds into the decimal value of hours. In order to solve a pair of simultaneous linear equations using calculator, press setup button, then press 5 which reads equation, then press 1 which is actually the standard form of a set of simultaneous linear equation. Press 1 and it asks for the value of A, B and C twice. So we have taken a pair of simultaneous equation. You can see that it is 2x plus y is equal to 16 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. So what are the value of A, B and C? A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y and C is constant on right hand side. So in the first equation, A is 2, press equal to, y is B is 1, press equal to, and C is 16, press equal to once again. Now coming to the second equation, the value of A is 1, the value of B is minus 1, press equal to, and the value of C is also minus 1, and press equal to once again to get the value of x which is 5, and press it once again, you will get the value of y which is 6. So that's how we solve the set of simultaneous linear equation. And in order to go back, you can see that we have to press the setup button and then 1, and you are back to normal mode. In order to solve a quadratic equation in standard form, just follow the procedure. Press setup button, then press 5 which reads equation, then press 3 which gives a standard form of a quadratic equation. Now he asks for the value of A, B and C, and A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x and C is the constant on left hand side. So I have taken an example which is 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here value of A is 2, then press equal to, value of B is minus 3, press equal to, value of C is minus 2, press equal to. Now press equal to once again to get the first value of x, it is 2. Press it once again to get the second value which is minus 1 upon 2. And if you need that in decimal form, just press S to D button and it converts it into decimal form. So that's how we solve any quadratic equation in standard form using calculator. So in order to go back, you will have to press setup and 1, and you are back in the normal mode. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and stay connected with. Thank you.